So here we have the Jordan 4 wet cements. The sneaker has pretty much been the talk of the town and a surprise sellout, not only on Sneakerheads, but pretty much all the retailers out there that have had them. Even the restocks are pretty much flying when they do pop up, guys. And I knew something was up with these when I still saw right before they released on Sneakerheads that the resale price on them hadn't really dropped that close to retail, which was $225 on the shoe. And I must say though, for $225, they definitely gave us a lot of nice features. Starting off here with the box itself. And this box here, I must say, a lot of nice detail in it. Here, the rough texturing that they gave us obviously is supposed to mimic that of a cement block. And the tag on here reads Air Jordan 4 Retro SE, smoke gray, iron gray. And another nice little feature they gave us, besides the box itself supposed to be looking like a cement block with an actual cement feel, is if you look closely here to that Jumpman, right, it's very clear. You see the light reflecting off of it. Well, actually, this is supposed to mimic water. So they kind of gave us a water stamp of the Jordan Jumpman with the flight written under there as well. Kind of hard to see, I know, but man, listen, anytime water is on concrete like that and it's just sitting still, it's very hard to notice, not unless you really get up on top of it. So that's really a dope feature. Now, the coloring of the box itself actually follows throughout the entire box. It's not just print on the outside and then on the inside you just get like regular cardboard look, but it's smooth on the inside. It's not textured like that. In any case, we were looking here at the shoe. A lot of nice features are on the shoe and a hidden feature of this sneaker as well. Now, we do have grays all throughout and really dark gray here on the mudguard area. It's actually somewhat of a rugged kind of feel, and the nubuck here is actually really nice material. Now, we know for a fact it's nubuck because this sneaker does come with this tag, and the tag on here reads, it says that, please note, due to the nature of nubuck leather material characteristics, scratches on upper should be expected. Now, thankfully, these did not come with any scratches on them, but there are ways out there to take scratches out of nubuck, fine grit sandpaper, and then make sure you get one of the best products out there on the planet, that mink oil from Rejuvenator, and some water and stain repellent as well to go along with these. You got to protect these in all types of ways. Anyhow, moving on from that, we do have gray laces in there, and taking a look at the wing straps and also the back tab, they actually have more of a cement look than the rest of the shoe does. And what's interesting is this actually looks like it is erosion on the straps and the back tab as well. So there you have a nice little play there on wet cement. Now, looking at the tongue tag, look at that. They put the Jumpman and Flight. It's actually imprinted into the tongue itself. And I know as a kid, when I saw wet cement, I would try to write my name in there. Let me know down in the comment section below if you guys try to do some of that as well. Midsole itself is gray here. Outsole is gray. Inside the sock liner, I must say, man, this is actually some premium material in here. And if you see here, it's actually transitional on the inside. And then the insole foot pad is gray, and you got a gray Jumpman down there. Quick look at the left shoe. Obviously, it's a match. The QC on these is actually really nice. There's no glue stains to think of whatsoever, and glue stains would actually show up pretty easily here on this shoe, and there's none on this particular pair, at least whatsoever. I did say I wanted to talk about a feature of this shoe that isn't really being talked about, and that does have to go along with the sock liner here, because this sock liner actually has somewhat of an insulated feel, like it would be very good at keeping your feet warm. Also, considering the fact that nubuck is very good at resisting water, which is also why if you take here a look at the caging, it's a match in material. So not only will this shoe keep your foot warm, but it will also obviously keep your foot dry. And then when you consider that the autumn time is actually, or the fall rather, is actually the time where Paris sees the most rain. It's obviously colder temperatures. With this color, it'd be the perfect time to actually be wearing the shoe. Not so much here in the summer. In any case though, let me go ahead and throw these on feet and then we'll close out. All right, so now that we've had a look here at the Jordan 4 wet cements, let me know down in the comment section if you were able to go ahead and get your hands on a pair. It is surprising how all the men's sizes have pretty much been flying off the shelves. I pretty much expected the big sizes to go fairly quickly, was not expecting the smaller men's sizes to move just as fast, and everywhere they're being restocking, it's like poof, that they're gone right away. So hopefully you guys were able to come by a pair, and if you're still on the hunt, there are going to be more restocks that happen. I mean, even when I'm shooting this video here on Tuesday after the release, they're still restocking the shoes. So you'll have a few more opportunities out there, but you definitely got to be quick, and that resale will start to creep up as the restock starts to slow down. But let me know down in the comment section below, like I said, if you're able to get your hands on a pair, and please smash that like button for me. If you're new to my channel, thanks for tapping in. Make sure you hit that subscriber button and click that notification bell so you can be notified every time I drop one of these videos. This is Lewis of the Wear Your Kicks channel, reminding you to be true, stay in the moment, and don't forget, every day is a great day to wear your kicks.